I'm Sam from the Carboneer Pool. I hope everyone is safe at home, having as much fun as possible during this time. To liven things up a bit, the town of Carboneer has decided to do a series of virtual ice sculpting contests. This week's theme is going to be water safety. So see if you can create some cool sculptures that can help you stay safe in, on, and around the water and ice. Maybe something like a ring buoy, rope, life jacket, hockey stick, or maybe just showing you and your buddy doing a fun winter activity together. Get creative. The contest begins today, Saturday, February 20th, and will run until Friday, February 26th at 5 o'clock p.m. To enter, all you have to do is take a photo of your ice sculpture and post it in the Facebook comments below this video. Once the contest ends, photos will be entered into a draw to win some pretty cool prizes. You don't know how to get started? Well, we've got you covered. Nikki's been busy having fun sculpting her own snow sculptures and has made a pretty easy video for you to follow along with. So again, post your photos below, get creative, and most importantly, have fun. I can't wait to see all of your amazing snow sculptures that you all create. Now, take it away, Nikki.
Hi, I'm Nikki, and I'm here today to talk about snow sculpting. The pool has decided to do a snow sculpting contest that is water safety related. So, turns out it's pretty easy to do a snow sculpture. I'm going to try one today, video myself doing it, and walk you through the steps. Hopefully it will inspire some of you guys to actually get out there, do a sculpture, and send it in for the contest. We have ring bars hung up on the pool, life-saving equipment, on the chairs, lifeguard chairs into the pool, and that's what I'm going to try to do because it's a pretty basic design, just a ring. Before we head out, I'm going to mix some snow paint. Turns out that's pretty easy to do. All you'll need is a squeezable bottle. Don't have one of them? Plastic bottle, water bottle, Pepsi bottle, and I've just poked a hole in the top. Pretty simple. And we need food coloring. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fill this bottle up to probably 3/4 of the way. I'm hoping for an orange mix. I don't have orange, but red and yellow makes orange. Okay, so I have my water bottle 3/4 full. I'm going to start with red. Give it 7 drops. I'm looking for orange, so red and yellow should make orange. 1 drop of orange, 1 drop of yellow. Mix it up, and looking pretty orangey to me. Excellent. So this is what I'm going to use to paint my snow sculpture after I finish making it. Let's go outside. Okay, I've got a bucket and shovel to help move snow and actually to mix the snow if it is too light. I need a good consistency. Water, in case I gotta add water to the snow. Got my snow coloring. I have a knife and a spatula. These 2 tools I picked to help carve my sculpture are not too sharp, so I'm trying to keep it kid-friendly and simple. So that's what you're going to need for your start. Taking some snow, and I'm going to pack it down tight. Okay, so it turns out the snow is a little too fluffy. It's not that great for making snowballs, so we don't have to wait for ideal snow conditions. We can make our own. I'm just going to add a little bit of water because I came prepared. And I'm going to mix it up. So basically what I'm doing is just adding snow and compacting it down as I am going and building it up. And this is an easier way to do a basic smaller snow sculpture. So I'm trying to round it out a bit as I'm making it. Okay, so that's the basic shape of my ring. Digging my fingers underneath to try and edge it out a little bit to make it look like it's actually a ring. So instead of carving the ropes into it, I'm going to add. It's easier and it doesn't require any really sharp tools. So basically, I'm gonna put the handle here. I'm dropping a bit of snow there. Carve it out from there. Make sure it's nice and tight. Adding snow to make the rope going through the ring. This is going to be the handle. Added some snow, and what I did was make sure it's nice and compressed and actually stuck. I'm going to use my butter knife to start carving out the rope. Just finishing up with a little bit of detailing here. And basically my sculpture is finished. That part. And now comes the fun part, painting. So, I'm ready to go. Oops. Let's see how this is going to work. Oh, excellent. And it's good for the easy. This is easy to direct. Okay, there's my finished sculpture. Not too bad, I guess. Okay, so that was fun. I hope I inspired some of you to get out and give this a try. Send in your videos and have fun. Enjoy your day.